One day, you're photographing a fair and a demolition derby in rural New York, and 2 days later exploring the streets of Philadelphia like a photojournalist. My name is Sean, and I've been a photojournalist for more than 30 years, freelancing with the New York Times, Getty Images, and the Associated Press for more than a decade. In 1992, I won the Maritime Middle School 8th grade photography contest. This summer, I'll be hitting the road to teach photo workshops on the US East Coast. The first 2 days of this summer workshop tour, kicking things off in Mount Airy, Maryland, are sold out, but there are still plenty of other options available from July 24th through August 13th. On August 11th, we bask in the glory of a demolition derby at the Afton Fair in New York State. That's about 30 minutes from Binghamton. After a pre-workshop diagnosis consultation call, I'll build you a custom workshop based upon your needs and goals as a photographer. In this workshop, you'll learn about documentary photography with hands-on field sessions and reviews. It's a mini mentorship built into a private one-on-one workshop. And with only one available spot, there's no slowing down for others or trying to catch up. We'll start the day of the workshop with brunch at Henry's Drive-In or at the S&S Cafe. Here, we review the day's itinerary and your goals for the workshop. And we'll head over to the fair when doors open at 11 a.m. Our primary goal during this part of the workshop is to build relationships with subjects and gatekeepers, and to get a lay of the land. I'll walk you through how I survey locations and find access. Slowly, you'll start making photos at the fair. Then we'll take a break for lunch and review the images you've made to that point. We'll get started again mid-afternoon, and by the time light starts working in our favor, you'll have the opportunity to cash in on the bounty. It's going to be a pretty long day, but as a career photojournalist who's worked many long assignments, some lasting more than a week, I know the consequences of burnout. And instead of wasting time sitting in traffic, trying to get out of a parking lot at the end of the fair, we'll use that time to review the photos you made during the workshop. You'll walk away with a portfolio-worthy photo story and new skills to implement on your next project. If this sounds interesting, registration for this one available spot is linked in the video description. The following day, August 12th, I'll be taking a travel day and then regrouping in Philadelphia for August 13th. In this workshop, you'll learn how a working photojournalist finds, approaches, and executes photo stories. You'll learn how to approach a big city, and I'll be taking on the role of assignment editor and in-field mentor. Together, we'll develop a project paired with your interests, and I'll help you execute it. If you like coffee, we spend a day at coffee shops. If you're into history, we try to find an old man who repairs clocks and see where that takes us. If you like to ride bicycles, maybe you spend the day photographing bike messengers. All of my workshops are based on two main principles, and they address what you walk away with. The first, I want to help you take your understanding of and relationship with photography to new heights. I want to help you develop new skills and approaches that you can apply moving forward. Second, I want you to have an amazing experience with your camera. If you feel stuck in third gear, I'll help you into fourth and show you how to shift into fifth. After a recent workshop, a student told me they'd never felt more focused behind the camera, and that's the type of result I build all these workshops around. If neither of those workshops I mentioned fit your schedule, I've got a string of dates this summer in the Middle Atlantic and New England. There's another demolition derby, a day at Coney Island, and another fair, but this one with a mullet competition. All these other workshops are also linked in the description. But remember, since they're private, one-on-one sessions, there's only one spot available for each date. Registration closes 7 days before each workshop.